I'm making chocolate chip cookies. First, I'm gonna wash my hands. And then we're gonna add 2 1/4 cups of flour. And you're gonna have 2 bowls, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients. The dry ingredients will probably go in the larger bowl. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and there's also 1 teaspoon of salt in here. So we'll add that into the dry ingredients. And 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter, softened, into the wet bowl. Need a spoon. And 3/4 cup of sugar. And we'll add that into the dry bowl. And also 3/4 of brown sugar into the dry bowl. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to add that into the wet bowl. With the butter. And we'll put this in this. Next, we're going to add our 2 large eggs, which I already cracked, into the wet bowl. So you're going to stir the dry ingredients with the spoon. Make sure they're all mixed together well. And then you're going to get your beater. And you're going to mix your wet ingredients. Put it like at 2 or 3 or 4. And then you're going to add a little bit of this into here, and then you'll slowly start mixing, and then you'll add more and more until it's gone. It's probably good. Now I'm just going to put it at like a 2. We're going to add some more of the dry ingredients in. Well, actually, we're just going to add all of it. And then you probably put it like a 3 since you added like so much. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips. And we'll make sure to stir them into the batter good. And now we'll take a little bit of the cookie dough, not too much, but like this is about right. And I'll roll them into like a ball. Roll them into little balls and then place them on the cookie sheet. Make sure, like I'm gonna put 3 in each row, but when they expand out, you have to make sure they're not too close together or they'll blend together. I'm just gonna make 3 and we're gonna do a test bake to make sure they cook okay. And then we'll add, I preheat the oven before we started to 375 degrees, so it should be ready soon. I'm gonna go check the oven. It's at 357, so it should be there soon. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep stirring up these chocolate chips to make sure they're in good. Okay, the oven beeps, so that means it's at 375. So now I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in the oven and then press start. And we'll set the timer for 9 minutes, and then we'll check on them, and if they're not fully cooked, we'll put them in for more time. So, they're beeping, but make sure to put on a hot pad or glove because they're going to be really hot. And place them on a counter or hard surface to cool. And that's how you make chocolate chip cookies.